And we're going to take this and move them up, stepping by the tread height. So in the same way that we stepped up the points and stepped them out little by little to create the spiral, well, we're also going to take these and explode them or deconstruct it. And now all of these spaces, which we have 57, that's another thing that we can have as something that we can look at. So we'll bring in a panel. We'll bring in a list length. And when we flatten, or when you have it just as one list, it'll tell you how many we have. So we have 57 treads. And so with this panel and list length, we can keep an eye out to know how many treads we're creating. So next,